Morning, Print fan. My name's Darren. Welcome back to the print shop. Today we're going to print some backlit banner media. We're going to print some business cards, and Bob's on his way over to press that shirt. Some kid, it's a jersey that they all signed for another kid, and some kid wrote "You're an idiot" on it, and so the parents are having us press a little thing that says, instead of "You're an idiot," it'll say "You're awesome." So funny. Anyway, a few other things I'm sure that we'll get done today, but I'm deleting my Etsy account. Do you want to watch? So I know Derek is going to be mad at me with Avalue Designs, but I'm deleting it. We're killing the account. I just got the email. Here it is. You've requested to delete your account. Your account is now scheduled for permanent closing and deletion. Now, some of you may be wondering why on earth I did that. Well, when I started that one many moons ago, it was 2012 is when I started that Etsy account. Now it's gone. But 2012, I'm not even sure why I started it, but it's not worth it. It's not the account I want. It's not the account I want to run. I don't want to change the name. I don't want to go through that headache. So I'm starting up a new one. So we are going to start with business cards, focusing only on business cards, and then from there we'll grow it and see what we can turn it into. But I figured I would share the journey with you, the process, the listing, and all that fun stuff. So I can't show you the signing up of the account because I already signed up for it, because I signed up for it in May when I had the idea, and then I've just never moved on with it. So we are going to do this new account. The new shop is called, I think, Jiffy Print. Jiffy? Yes, Jiffy Print. I don't know why I picked that, but that's what it's going to be. We are going to have one item, like I said, and it's got no reviews, and we're going to build it up, and we're going to see what we can do. So I will show you the listing kind of once I have it done, kind of the thoughts behind it, and we'll go from there. But probably let's get some time lapse going. Oh, also, power update. Power went off at 7, 8 o'clock. Lightning hit the substation and started it on fire. So the power department came and rerouted the line so that it went to a different substation so we could at least have power. Power came back on at midnight, so I came and just turned everything off. And then I'm sure it's going to have to go off again when they get the substation working again. But the substation that got hit by lightning, literally like 2 or 3 blocks that way. So, oh man. been working on my new Etsy listing, and it went from an E rank grade of E, which I don't know where their scale is. I tried to find it and nothing. But now I'm in an A. So I wanted to cover what I did to fix it. Now, the biggest thing that I was lacking was tags, and tags are used in Etsy search. So you have your title and your description that help with search and ranking, but then you have tags that you can manually set, and I was missing all of them. You can have up to 13. So I went in and I added all 13 to fill it up. The other thing that I did not have was I did not have 10 photos. You can have 10 photos per listing. They've also recently introduced a video, so I went ahead and added the video. But as part of the photo, I actually set up all these business cards right here. These are all business cards that I printed. I usually try to keep one of every card that I print, and they came in handy today. So I made this really, I think it's kind of epic shot that is just viewed across all the cards, and I have changed that to be my primary photo. I have 10 photos now. The other thing, like it's saying the other suggestions is it says my title's too long, can be truncated, which I don't care. I have the most important stuff at the beginning. It also says that my description is too long, should be short and informative. I don't feel that it's too long. So other than that, it's telling me everything is good. So hopefully we'll start to see some movement with the Etsy store. The only other thing that I want to do with the Etsy shop is change the pricing. So I am going to modify the pricing, lower it some to try to build up the sales, build up the volume, because right now my store is brand new. No sales, no reviews, no anything. So we're going to get it ranking. That is the plan. Join me in the journey.
I will join you in the journey.
All right, made some more changes with the help of Derek. I'll link his channel down below. I will also link my listing down below if you want to check it out. In short, Derek's suggestion was make sure it looks feminine, because that's mostly the people that are on there, which is true. He told me to change my profile picture to one with my family because according to him, he said women only like married men or Brad Pitt. So I'm definitely no Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt would be lucky to look like you, Darren. Don't ever put yourself down like that.
Added a bio, and I signed up for Etsy ads. It's a risk that I'm going to take, and I went big, and I'm spending $5, or I'm allowing $5 a day. So when you set your ads, you can pick how much you want to spend, and my allotment could be anywhere from $1 to $50 a day, and I picked 5, and I'm going to leave it for 30 days. So 30 days, I'll update you, let you know how it's going. I'll keep you posted on the Etsy stuff. So now we've got businesscardsonly.com 100% kind of working. It could use some more love, but it is working. It's set up. Now we got the Etsy store to join them and merge them. So we'll see how they go. The next kind of process, I'm still working on the dental stuff for Save the Print Shop, and I'm still working on the wedding announcements. Big thing with wedding announcements is I can't really decide a name, and I gotta have a domain, which I need a name, so I haven't done it yet. So that's the big thing with wedding announcements that's holding me back right now.
If you have any name suggestions for his wedding announcement business, put those bad boys in the comments below. I recommend weddingannouncementsonly.com. It's playoffbusinesscardsonly.com, dude. It's genius.
But it's 4:30. I've got a few other things to get done. I am messaging Reyes the Entrepreneur because he is in town. Might hit him up and see if we can meet up. Maybe help his people, share my story, help others, and honestly, it'd be fun to meet him. So I'm gonna see if maybe I can drive to where he is and meet up with him. So I'm gonna try to get what I can done and go from there. So if you have any questions about what I do, why I do it, how I do it, etc., leave those questions down in the comments. Thank you, Cam, for editing the videos. Really appreciate you. If you guys want to support the channel, you can do so with the links down in the description. Patreon, Amazon affiliate, custom orders, all that fun stuff. Custom orders, email me, ttmakesomething@gmail.com or visit timetomake-something.com. As always, thank you for just watching, liking, subscribing, sharing with friends, etc. We'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. That was weird. That was better. Print fam, we're going to pick up Reyes the Entrepreneur. You haven't seen some of his content, I'll link it down below. But we're also about to pass Cam's work, so I thought we would wave as we pass by. At least, I'm pretty sure it's where Cam works, because he said he works by Vivint, and he said it's like a 30-second walk or something. So, we're gonna wave. Alright, this is where I think Cam works. Somewhere around here. Somewhere. Okay, hi Cam. Bye Cam.
I'm not gonna lie, Darren, that was really close for not knowing exactly where I work. That was really close. It's actually kind of back by Crinton McConkey. I work in the same building as them, the lawyers, Crinton McConkey. So that's... You were close, though.
Alright, Print fam. I told you I was going to get Rez.
Yo, what's up, guys?
He's here in real life.
Yep, get some custom stickers. Highly impressed.
So, any thoughts on the print shop or for my followers? Any 2 cents? I'll leave his link down below so you guys can go follow him if you're not already.
Nah, man, you gotta give me your 2 cents. I love this setup. I love it.
Well, I think your viewers need more information on the HP latex. But
We might have to make something happen to spread that free 99 knowledge.
that's right. You don't have to worry about the gas because I took care of it.
Well, I'm not from Utah, so you know.
I even had to go to the gas station, and that's
okay.
all I thought about while I was filling it up. But Rez, what about the gas?
Yeah, that's right.
So,
Yep.
all right. Well, thanks for hanging out with me.
Yeah, for sure.
And I'll link his channel down below. Go check him out if you're not already subscribed. I know most of you are because you guys told me he was in Utah. 'Cause I only follow him on YouTube, and now I follow him on Instagram.
All right,
I'm
sounds
still working on it.
There you go.
All right. Take care, Profane.
Huge shout out to our patrons over at patreon.com/TTMS.